Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to a bank account. First, open the DeFi Wallet app on your mobile phone. After opening the app, you have to create your own wallet. Here you can start earning tokens in two different steps. You can either buy crypto or deposit into DeFi Earn. Now tap on Send shown on the homepage of the DeFi app. It'll show you all the available coins to make the process easier. The coins available here are BTC, ETH, CRO, DOT, and NEAR. After that, go to the Binance app and log in here before proceeding. Then tap on the Wallets option shown at the bottom right corner. Here tap on the Deposit option and select the cryptocurrency from the provided options. Now choose the network and copy the deposit address given here. After that, you can go to the DeFi app again and select any coin from the available coins. Then you'll paste the deposit address to withdraw the money. That's it. This is the easiest way to withdraw money from Crypto.com to a bank account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.